my name is Mariah. I am the lead fabricator for the Party Thieves, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly inflate your balloons. So let's go ahead and do that. I have 2 balloons here. You don't have to do 2 at a time, but I like to because it helps when we get to the tying process. We're going to put both on and we're going to inflate. All right. So this is an improperly inflated balloon. The reason why is because it's starting to take an oval shape. We want it to be more circular. It's gonna look so much better. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna let a little air out while we press down on a hard surface. Now you can press down on a table, on your leg, on the floor, whatever, and it's gonna get you a much rounder, properly inflated balloon. So balloons inflated like this are more likely to pop because they were overinflated. They don't look quite as nice when they're on the balloon garland because they're not this nice circular shape. So that is how you're going to properly inflate your balloons.